A helpless woman fell into the clutches of a fraudster while depositing money in Bishalgarh UCO Bank. The fraudster snatched away 1,000 rupees from the woman in the name of depositing money in the bank and ran away. According to the details of the incident, a woman, namely Nirmala Devnath from Chandanagar area under Bishalgarh police station, went to the UCO Bank to deposit money in her account at around 12:30 p.m. on Tuesday. Nirmala Devnath, a very poor woman, fell into the clutches of fraudster when she went to the UCO Bank adjacent to Bishalgarh BOC. Deceiving the woman in the name of depositing the money, 1,000 rupees was snatched away from her. Later, the woman broke down in tears at the bank. In front of the Bishalgarh UCO Bank, such illegal business is going on in front of the bank authorities. In the name of depositing and withdrawing money, often rupees 30 to 50 are taken from many people. The bank is not taking any action, although every day the poor people have to pay compensation and are subjected to extreme harassment. No action was taken against the criminals who cheated the female bank customer. Later, Nirmala Devnath, a woman who was cheated, called the media to report the incident. It has been noticed that some dishonest people are easily running such illegal business in front of the bank premises, but the bank authorities do not take any action in this regard. Later, Nirmala Devnath, the victim of harassment and cheating, came to the Bishalgarh police station. The woman was assured that the police of Bishalgarh police station would immediately investigate the matter. Now it remains to be seen whether the Bishalgarh police will be able to nab the person who took huge amount of money from the poor people in front of the bank. Not only that, question has risen as to how some unscrupulous people are stealing money from the customers despite installing CCTV cameras in front of the Bishalgarh UCO Bank premises.
আমি গেছলাম কাগজ লাগাইতাম 1000 টাকা জমা দেব হ্যাঁ বাবুরে কাগজটা লেখা দাও না
কোন ব্যাংকে দা
ইউকো ব্যাংকে বিশালগড়
হ্যাঁ
এরপরে তে লেখা টেকা সাইরে আমি বাবু টাকাটা দাও আমি জমা দেই কোনা মাসি জমা হয়ে গেছে গা ওকে নাম নিয়ে আপলোড করে টাকাটা উঠতে যাবে গা
কি কইছে কথাটা কি কইছে
ছেলেটা লেখা দিছে
ব্যাংকের সামনে
হ্যাঁ ব্যাংকের সামনে কথাটা বলছে
তারপরে এখন আপনি মানে কি আপনি বইয়ে কি 1000 টাকা জমা পড়ছে না
না আগে 4000 টাকা আসলে আপলোড করেছে 4000 টাকা কই
Now it remains to be seen whether the police of Bishalgarh police station can arrest those dishonest people. The people of Bishalgarh area, including the family of the victim, are looking forward to this. Bureau Report, Halabur.